In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a supplemental listing or a pocket listing. These types of listings could be a for sale by owner. It could be a vacation rental. It could be anything that is not listed on the MLS. And those listings are going to show up on your supplemental page here. So if I come here, these are the exclusive listings. This is what it's going to look like, just like the regular search pages. And they also will show up when people search your site. So if you have anybody that goes to the advanced search page or any of the search pages and puts in the criteria, and the listing that you enter meets any of that criteria, it will show up in the results with the other listings from the MLS as if it is part of the MLS, although it is not going to be listed on the MLS. It only does this on your website. So it shows up with your regular listings on the supplemental page, and it shows up in the results if somebody searches. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into your IDXBroker account, and you're going to come over here on the left-hand side in the menu, and you're going to click on Listings, and then you're going to click on Supplemental. And it's going to come to this page, and you'll see any supplemental listings that you've added here already. And if you want to add a new one, you're going to come over here and you're going to click on Create New. Now, please keep in mind that supplemental listings are your responsibility to keep updated. So when a listing is sold, if it's a for sale by owner, whatever it is, or it's off the market, then you want to come here and delete that listing or mark it as closed so that it does update in the data and it doesn't show up in the search results and somebody inquires on it and it's not available. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on Create New, and it is going to open up a page very similar to the MLS, your MLS when you're entering a listing in the MLS. A little more simpler in this case. So you're going to come up here, and the first thing you're going to do is choose the MLS that you want it to be a part of. That's so it can show up in the search results. And then you're going to start filling out this data. So I'm going to choose right here. We're going to put in a vacation rental in this case. And we're going to choose residential lease. And this is a townhouse. So let's see if we have townhouse. We do. And because it's a vacation rental, I'm not going to put the address in. You are going to be required to put the zip code and the state in. So I will choose that. And I will put the zip code, and I'm going to put the city in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the listing price for under rent lease. And you don't have to put this in if you don't want to. You could put details, maybe it changes. If it's a vacation rental, you could put the details for that in the remarks. You know, pricing ranges from X to Y, and contact us to book this property if you want. Or you can put it in here if you want. Okay, so now I'm going to start filling in the details. It is going to be a 3-bedroom. And I'm just going to put in 2 bathrooms. 2 bathrooms. Let's do that. All right. Square footage, I'm just going to make something up. And then I am going to put the information. Now you have unlimited characters in the remarks. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in here. So I've just went ahead and copied it. And then if you want to put in the area, neighborhood, subdivision, you can. If you want to put in a custom link, let's say if it is on Airbnb and you want people to be able to link to, you want to link to book now, you can come over here and you can put book now, and then you can put the link to the Airbnb right here. So you can fill out the area, neighborhood, subdivision if you want, style. This is going to say rental, and any of these fields that you want to fill in, you can fill in. If you want to put extra interior features, extra exterior features, you can put all that in there. And When you're done, you're going to click on Add Property. Okay, so that's going to reset this form. So we're going to come back over here on the left-hand side and we're going to click on Supplemental right here. And now we can see our property is right here. And so I'm going to come over here to the right-hand side and click on Edit Images. And that's going to allow me to add my images. So all the way to the right, I'm going to click on New Image. And it's going to ask me to upload my image. It has a 1 megabyte file size. So we can add files here. So I'm looking at my files and I can see my file size right here. So I'm just making sure there's not anything over 1 megabyte. All right, so it picked them out and I'm going to go ahead and click Start Upload. And it's going to upload the files. Now, if I want, I can adjust it so that the main photo is this one, or if I want, I can make this one the main photo. It's up to you. You can rearrange these any way that you want. And if you want to add more, let's go to New Image. Says there's a 10 image upload, but I've never had any problem putting as many images as I wanted in here. Okay, so once you've added the images and you've put them in the order that you want, the other thing you can do is click on Edit Geolocation over here. And this is going to allow you to pick a, kind of give an idea of where it is. So I'm going to, let's see here. I'm going to go to so you can put the map or put the address if you want here in Google Maps, and I can actually pick a place if I want, anywhere that I want. So let's see if I can pinpoint an idea of where this is. So I'm going to pick this because I believe it's right here. And then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to grab my longitude and latitude right there. This is the easiest way to do it. And I'm going to put those in here. So and that should pull it up. There, now it's there. So now if I go to our exclusive listings and refresh it, you'll see the listing shows right there. And if I click on it, we have a whole page about it. Now my screen is really big, so obviously this is very stretched out, but you can see all the details, all of the information, the map, and all of the data about this listing. So, and if somebody wants to inquire about it, they can click contact, or you can add a custom link, like I said in here, using those two fields. So I can come back over here if I want and click on edit data, and I can put the information under the custom link text. Some people use this for auctions. That's another pocket listing or type of supplemental listing that could go in here as well. So hopefully this has helped you. If you have any questions about adding a supplemental listing or anything else to do with IDXBroker, feel free to give us a call. We love helping our IDXBroker customers. If you do not have an IDXBroker developer partner, please give us a shout. It's free for you, and we do all kinds of cool free things for you. You can reach us by giving us a call at 517-917-0582 or shooting us an email to support@yoursiteneedsme.com.